Rachio lets you take control of your watering. You can easily adjust your sprinklers at any time. Rachio waters just the right amount, and it won't water in the rain. So you can get the great yard you want while saving time and money. To start, Rachio is simple to install and easy to set up on the app. Customize your watering to your yard by plant type, soil type, sun exposure, and more. Then tap into Rachio's vast network of local weather stations to tune your watering to the latest forecasts. You're ready to take control. Keep an eye on your yard from anywhere. Rachio automatically checks weather forecasts and adjusts schedules for seasonal changes, colder temperatures, and rain, saving you up to 50% on your outdoor watering bill while helping save over 500 million gallons of water nationwide. And you'll know it works. Rachio is EPA WaterSense certified and tested to the industry's highest standards. So have time to enjoy that great yard without the wasted water or money. All with the control of Rachio.
Ask anyone who owns an iPhone, and they will tell you there is nothing more frustrating than dropped calls, slow data speeds, and constantly running out of battery. Did you know that these are all problems caused by a weak signal? My name is Pete Peng, creator of Firefly iPhone cases, which utilizes a patented new antenna technology invented by my father, Dr. Sheng Peng. My father is a pioneer in the field of advanced antenna technologies and has even created solutions for the Department of Defense, which includes antenna systems for the Patriot missile. 3 years ago, my father, my team, and I set out on a mission to improve mobile communications. So how does the Firefly iPhone case help improve your signal? When you have a poor connection, your smartphone searches non-stop for cell phone towers near your physical location to make sure you have the strongest signal possible. But this constant searching slows the performance of your phone and drains your battery. By embedding our patented technology directly into the Firefly case, it improves upon your phone's built-in tiny antennas, providing improved cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity. Just how significant of an improvement are we talking about? Check out this speed test and see for yourself. In fact, the Firefly case frame itself is more than just a sleek home for the signal-enhancing antenna. Its wave gel inner liner absorbs kinetic energy and is built into a shock-absorbing outer guard for reinforced protection, enough to protect your iPhone from a 12-foot drop on concrete without a scratch, or a straight-up ninja throw. Ouch. When comparing the Firefly case to traditional big store brands, it is easy to see that for about the same price, the Firefly not only provides a high level of protection, but also adds a lot more value by improving your phone's overall performance. I'm asking for your support so that together we can bring this game-changing technology to every cell phone user. We will use the funds to continue to expand our product line, help pay for custom tooling, stock raw materials, hire skilled labor, and solve the "can you hear me now" problem once and for all. We are so confident that we will deliver your Firefly on time, and as promised, that if we do not, we will refund 100% of your initial pledge. We are excited to be launching on Kickstarter, and even more excited to get Firefly in your hands and on your phone, to fulfill my father's dream to improve the world with better wireless connectivity. With your support, I know we can do it.
Being a maker is much more than putting hardware and software together. It's about being able to improve life in a creative way. Mono will help you make that process easier. In Copenhagen, we are famous for our beer, but also our endless creativity. A lot of creative people spend many hours assembling circuit boards and yet always end up with a bird's nest. Our interest in creating Mono comes from a deep passion for programmable electronics. Mono is a gadget and a development platform. It is easy to use and has many peripherals. With Mono, your focus stays on making killer solutions. In Mono, we've included all your favorite I/O and even added a battery. This way, your projects will not end up in your drawer anymore. Mono has high-efficient DC to DC converters, one for battery charging and one for powering the internal circuits. With Mono, you don't need to know hardware, and if you do, Mono has an extendable interface to connect to your favorite hardware. We designed a beautiful, handy casing and managed to fit all the hardware inside an incredible small form factor. This makes Mono the first presentable development platform for your ideas.
Hello, I'm Maker Arm, the world's first multifunctional robotic arm that fits anywhere in your workspace. I have changeable tool heads that allow me to do some really neat stuff, and I can help my humans make just about anything. I can 3D print freely since I don't live in a box. I can auto-level so my humans don't have to. I can make things up to 30 inches long and 10 inches tall on any flat surface. I can make high-quality 3D prints with both filament and resin. But I can do a lot more.
Many years ago, I got really frustrated. I couldn't go to music school because I could not read traditional sheet music. I could play by watching YouTube and practicing, but I just didn't want to learn the theoretical side. So instead of going to music school, I went to study design. And this is where my frustration translated in the project we hope to get funded today. For example, if I wanted to create a waving sound, why not just make a waving motion? That's how easy it should be, to give digital music your personal touch. So let me introduce our instruments.
Wop lets you control sounds by moving your hand closer or further away. Or just hit drums in the air. The second one is wiggle. You can assign effects to different hand rotations. Number 3 is drum. Just play different kind of drums in the air. The fourth one is pads, a credit card sized drum pad. Last but not least, scan. Just draw any pattern online, choose your sound and just play your drawing.
We created 5 instruments in 2 versions. This one is called Device, DVC. It has a full aluminum casing, so it doesn't only look good, but also feels right. And this one is called Card, C. Many years ago, I got really frustrated. I couldn't go to music school because I could not read traditional sheet music. I could play by watching YouTube and practicing, but I just didn't want to learn the theoretical side. So instead of going to music school, I went to study design. And this is where my frustration translated in the project we hope to get funded today. For example, if I wanted to create a waving sound, why not just make a waving motion? That's how easy it should be, to give digital music your personal touch. So let me introduce our instruments.
Wop lets you control sounds by moving your hand closer or further away. Or just hit drums in the air. The second one is wiggle. You can assign effects to different hand rotations. Number 3 is drum. Just play different kind of drums in the air. The fourth one is pads, a credit card sized drum pad. Last but not least, scan. Just draw any pattern online, choose your sound and just play your drawing.
We created 5 instruments in 2 versions. This one is called device, DVC. It has a full aluminum casing, so it doesn't only look good, but also feels right. And this one is called card, CRD. It does exactly the same as device, just stripped down to its core, providing you an affordable credit card sized instrument.
Whether you just started making music, have been producing for years, or play live for sold out football stadiums, our instruments connect with every possible software.
Introducing Plux, a charger truly embraces the revolution of wireless charging, allowing you to power up your iPhone 8 or 10, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously. Using quick charge technology, the ultra-speedy charging offered by Plux makes your life easier. What's more, it allows you to charge your phone with its case on, and easily switch between a charging pad and phone stand. You don't have to worry the battery life when binge watching or listening. Simply place your devices on a pad. It will instantly charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. No more dead battery anxiety. With a simple design, Plux fits everyone's style. Plux, the best wireless charger, allows you to charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once.